If you've ever posted a video and watched the subscriber count barely move, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through 13 steps that actually work. No gimmicks, no buying fake followers. Let's get into it. How to increase your subscribers. Your simple step-by-step guide to YouTube success and building a real audience. 1. Define your niche. Choose one topic you love so viewers know what to expect from your channel. 2. Quality content first. Provide useful information or entertaining content with high-quality audio and video. 3. Use keywords. Find words people are searching for and put them in your video title and description. 4. Attractive thumbnails. Design an eye-catching image that makes the viewer want to click on the video immediately. 5. Post regularly. Set a consistent schedule for publishing videos so your audience expects your content. 6. Leverage YouTube Shorts. Cut parts of your long videos into shorts to reach a brand new audience. 7. Create playlists. Group related videos into a single playlist to encourage viewers to stay longer. 8. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments and thank your followers to build a loyal community that loves your channel. 9. Collaborate with others. Participate in other channels' videos to exchange subscribers and expand your reach. 10. Monitor analytics. Use YouTube analytics to learn what your audience likes and focus on it. 11. Beware of fake subscribers. Do not buy subscribers. Organic growth and real engagement are the foundation of success. 12. Your YouTube play button awaits. Keep delivering your best with passion, and you will soon earn your silver and gold play buttons.